The ergonomic auto-lock plunge lever allows users to quickly, accurately and safely adjust the plunge position without releasing the handles. Auto-lock is temporarily disengaged while the lever is held in this position. The router can now plunge. When the lever is released, the plunge position will be locked, perfect for fast repositioning and surface registration when used with a jig. Auto-lock is turned off, allowing the user to control the plunge position, perfect for accurate repositioning and depth post setting. Resetting the paddle re-engages the auto-lock and returns the lever to the resting position. The plunge lever self-tightens, so vibration caused by heavy loads will not affect the accuracy of the depth setting.